How to update CapCut. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your CapCut application and then go to your settings. Now here, what you're going to do is to simply scroll down and look for clear cache. Tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply click OK because they will ask you again if you want to clear cache. Okay, so don't worry, clearing cache won't delete anything. Okay, so as you can see, cache cleared. Now you can exit your CapCut and then now you can go to your Play Store and then search for CapCut. And if you see the blue button here, if you see update, you just have to tap the one and then click update. So make sure that you're using the latest version of your CapCut application. And then the last thing you should do is to simply go to your settings. Now, for Android, you just have to go to your app management and then go to app list and then look for CapCut. You just have to type here CapCut and then tap. And then the next thing you should do is to simply tap this four step and then after that uninstall. Now, after doing this both, you can go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, type CapCut, and install your CapCut again. And that's how you update CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.